if I can survive the insanity, if I can learn to mend my broken heart. Maybe one day I can find who is truly me. You is a lot of emotion to me. You, to me, is a journey that we all must take to find who we are. And along that journey, we are phonies. And we go through a lot of shells to try to find who we really are. And then in the end, we ultimately achieve you. Sometimes we achieve you. Because most of us try to be who we think is you, but isn't you. We need to not fall into what society tells us to be, because that society's wrong. We need to find the truth that lies in the world. And that's hard. And we have to face a lot of hardcore crap in order to figure out where we are, who we are, why we're here. And so you isn't something that we should accomplish so easily, even though as teenagers we think we know who we are and we set a definition for ourselves. It's just, we need to calm down and chill down and figure it out. You know what I mean? And that's pretty much what you means to me. So pretty much you guys are epic. Like, epic. And pretty much, I need to learn how to be pick, but right now I'm or maybe it's just because it's cold and I'm biting my thumb.
I'm a nightmare, a disaster. That's what they